Welcome back everyone. Today we are looking at one of the most revolutionary machines ever created for the world of farming, the 2026 Futuristic Combine Harvester. This machine is designed for the next era of agriculture where speed, technology and intelligence work together to deliver unmatched performance and efficiency. The 2026 Combine Harvester is not just a piece of equipment, it's a futuristic partner for the modern farmer. The body is finished in a stunning metallic blue shade, built from lightweight but ultra-strong materials. It has an aerodynamic structure that helps reduce air resistance and improve fuel efficiency. The front section features massive cutting blades capable of harvesting a wide section of crops in a single pass. The LED adaptive headlights and precision cameras allow it to work easily even during low light or night conditions. At the back it carries a fully automated grain collection system. Smart AI sensors analyze crop quality, moisture level and density in real time. These sensors send continuous feedback to the onboard computer which automatically adjusts cutting speed and collection rate for the best possible output. The entire harvesting process is optimized to produce maximum yield with almost zero wastage. The interior cabin feels like the cockpit of a futuristic aircraft. It features a fully digital dashboard, touchscreen controls and a joystick steering system. The driver has access to a 360-degree camera view for better visibility around the machine. The seat is designed with premium leather and built-in vibration absorption for maximum comfort during long working hours. The panoramic glass design provides a wide and clear view of the field while advanced noise cancellation technology keeps the cabin calm and quiet. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Combine Harvester uses a powerful electric hybrid engine. This system provides strong torque and speed while keeping fuel consumption and emissions to a minimum. It can operate efficiently in multiple terrains, dry, wet or uneven fields, without losing balance or traction. For safety it includes an advanced obstacle detection system, automatic braking sensors and an emergency shutdown protocol.